In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new playlist and add songs to it. This is a simple and useful way to organize your music so you can quickly find the songs you want to hear, whether you're building a workout mix, a relaxing playlist, or just saving your current favorites in one place. To begin, open the app and go to your library. This is where your saved music and personal collections are usually stored. Once you're there, look for the Playlist tab and select it. This section is specifically designed for managing playlists, so it's the right place to create a new one or view any playlist you already have. After opening the Playlist tab, click New Playlist. You'll be asked to give your playlist a name. Choose something clear and easy to remember so you can find it later without any confusion. Once you've entered the name, save it. At this point, your new playlist has been created, but it will still be empty until you start adding music. Now that the playlist is ready, the next step is to add a song to it. Open any song you want to include. When the song is open, look for the More Options menu, which is usually shown as 3 dots. Tap that menu to see additional actions available for the song. From the list of options, choose Add to Playlist. You should now see your available playlists, including the one you just created. Select your new playlist, and the song will be added to it. This makes it easy to keep building your collection one track at a time. If you want to continue, you can repeat the same process with any other songs. Just open the song, tap the More Options menu, and choose Add to Playlist again. Over time, this helps you create a playlist that matches exactly what you want to listen to. That's all it takes to create a playlist and start filling it with songs. Once you get familiar with this process, organizing your music becomes much faster and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.